Hello everyone, UGC NET August 2024 exam is over. Today was the last exam and it's done. Now so many questions are going on your mind. First question is when you will get the response sheet. Second question, when we will get the result. Third question, what will be the expected cutoff? That is the most important question. Fourth question, when we will get the December exam. So these all the questions I am going to cover in this video. So those who are new to this channel, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to stay tuned with us for UGC NET preparation. Here lots of free content for paper 1 and computer science you will get. Definitely visit the channel, you will see that lots of free good contents are available in this channel. Definitely it will be beneficial for you. And definitely watch the complete video because here you will get lots of information which will be very much important for your upcoming journey. First question. Today is 4th September. All the exam is over. Now very quickly you will get your response sheet. What is response sheet? Some of the students are new. They don't know. Yes, response sheet means whatever exam. Means you attempt the CBT mode, that is computer based test. So they will provide you response sheet, means you will get a PDF format. Definitely download that PDF format for your future reference. In that PDF format you will get all the questions of paper 1 and paper 2, and you will get that whatever you mark there, how many question you did mark, whatever answer you mark, whatever question you did not mark, everything you can see there. With that response sheet you will get a provisional answer key. With the provisional answer key, if you match the response sheet, if you count the score, then you will get your expected score. Yes, definitely download it. Definitely count your expected score. Most of the time students are not downloading response sheet. It is a blunder mistake. I am telling you, always download your response sheet, because the response sheet will be there for a limited period of time. It will be not an unlimited period of time. Within those days, maybe hardly you will get 1 week time. Within that 1 week, if you are not downloading your response sheet, later it will be not available. So then and there must download it. And your self analysis is very important. That's why definitely do your self analysis after getting response sheet. Match with the official answer key, that is provisional answer key. I am telling you, because sometimes we saw that in question there are some mistake, or in provisional answer key there are some mistake. So when you are comparing, then you will understand that yes, these are the question, there are some mistake, these are the answer, there are some mistake. You will get a chance to do the objections. Yes, you can send your objections for verifying again. There are the procedure where you can send the objection, how you have to do it. Then after that, finally you will get the final answer key. This is the process. For that, we are also helping always the students for paper 1 and paper 2 computer science. If there are some question to challenge, where you can do the challenge. So we will be there for the challenge procedure with you also. Always we are doing it. Every year we are doing it. This year also we will do it. Definitely don't think that yes, we are not there. Yes, we are there with you. Third thing is that after getting the final answer key, means final answer key and result are coming on that day, same day. Means whenever you are getting final answer key, result will be also published. Now how result? Here this year the cutoff will be 3 cutoff. I think so according to my understanding. For JRF there will be a different cutoff, for assistant professor there will be a different cutoff, and for PhD there will be a different cutoff. I don't think that everyone will be eligible for PhD. I think for PhD also there will be a different cutoff. Those who will be qualified for, yes, you are qualified for PhD, means you can apply for PhD. You are qualified for assistant professor. Those who are qualified for assistant professor, they will be qualified for assistant professor and PhD both, because definitely cutoff will be 1 by 1 high. JRF is the last one. Those who will be qualified for JRF, they will. Then what is the difference between PhD and JRF? PhD means those who will qualify for PhD only, they will not get the junior research fellowship which is given by the government, central government. So those who will get JRF, they will get admission of PhD and they will get JRF also. Even also now those who are already doing PhD, maybe for 1 year you did PhD, but now you crack the JRF, so you will get the fellowship also. JRF, normally top 1% students will get the JRF. Top 6% students are getting assistant professor. They are qualified as assistant professor till now. Then maybe top 10% or something will be for PhD. Or they will give you cutoff or as per the marks, or otherwise maybe whatever your marks, as per that university will decide that yes, they are going to take it or not. So it is a little bit confusion for PhD what they will do. And now next thing is that yes, what will be cutoff. So cutoff, we can say normally this year most of the paper 1 question was little bit moderate question, not so easy question, little bit different question they ask. For paper 1, some of the question paper 1 was very easy, PYQ is repeated. Especially for computer science and other exam, what we saw, paper 1 was little bit moderate. And especially I am an educator of computer science, so that I can say that for computer science, paper 2 was expected question. Those who prepare well, those who did preparation well, their paper 2 was good. But for paper 1, they faced little bit difficulty. So that's why normally for computer science students, cutoff will be for general candidate assistant professor, it will be 170, not more than 170. For JRF, cutoff will be within 200, not more than 200. I don't think so it will be more than 200. And for OBC candidates, for the special categories candidate, you can think for the general candidate whatever cutoff, less more means you can expect if 170 is the cutoff for general candidate, within that then maybe your cutoff will be within 150, 155 like that, within 150 or 155. Within that your OBC category assistant professor cutoff will be. PhD I am not telling because PhD there are little bit so many doubts are there. And for JRF OBC category, you can expect like 170, 180 like that for JRF. So this is for computer science. And for other subjects, I will tell you, try to check the previous year's cutoff. What was the previous year cutoff means, like 2023 December, 2023 June. According to that, you on average 10 plus minus, within that only normal cutoff will be, because normal trend how the question is, it was like that. Not, it will be not go too high. Not possible, I hope so. Now December exam, as I told that very quickly they will give you the result. Yes, when you will get this result, I hope so, it is my prediction, within the end of September they will wrap up this all the process. Today is 4th, so within 15th September maybe you can get your response sheet. After that they will give you time for challenge, so you will get 5 to 6 days time for challenge. After challenge they will take again more 1 week time, and within end of September I hope so you will get your final result. Because why? Because if within the first week of October they are not publishing the intimation and advertisement for the December, then they will be not able to take the December exam. Normally December exam schedule will be from 15 December, within 15 to 20 December, within that exam should be. Normally they are doing it. So definitely within first week of October they have to arrange, they have to publish the date and notification for December. So because October, November, 2 months is there. Within 2 months you have to prepare for December. So that's why. Think it. Don't do more delay. If your exam is good, very good. If you are 100% sure that yes, my exam was spellbound performance I did in exam hall, then definitely you can wait. But if there is little bit doubt also, okay, maybe I will be able to qualify or not, some doubt is there. So I will tell you, don't waste your time for result. start your study. Wherever you did mistake, what are the topics you are not able to do, what are the question previously you was not able to solve, it is the time to learn those things. Start study, do your study. If result is good, that is very good. If there is some problem in result, then you can just think it is it's fine, right? If I am getting good result, it's good. If I am not getting good result, then I can go ahead next. Within 2 months I will get the result, right? So this was all the information from my end. I hope you will like this video. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section whatever query you have. And stay tuned with us for preparation and upcoming all support. We will be there with you. Thank you. Bye.